So if you haven't seen my video talking about what comes in the box, take a look at that. Now we're going to go over some of the functions of this 4-in-1 laser tape measure. So really simple, you know, on the buttons here you have your on and off switch. This switch also will do your single measurement and also a continuous measurement if needed. Then we have our storage button here. So this will be kind of benchmark or storage, just depending on what you're measuring and if you want to kind of pretty much relate it to a previous measurement. Then here we have some of those extra functions, right? So we're talking about area, volume. You could also do using the Pythagorean theorem, a mathematical equation to figure out different areas of different shapes if needed. Then we have an add and subtract button here if you want to add from one measurement or subtract from one measurement to another measurement if needed. Very good. Very nice function to have. Doing math, keeping things quick and on the fly. It's always good to double check your work, but it's good to have that. This also does your unit of measurement as well. And then we have just the on and off and then our clear button, right? So let's go ahead and power it on real quick. All right, so now we're powered on. You can see the laser there. If we just did a quick against the wall, take a single measurement. We got our single measurement there. Now we're looking at 1 foot 6 inches. And if you wanted to change that unit of measurement, just click the unit button and hold it down and it'll give you various units, whatever you're looking for. If you are looking for something that's different than the standard measurement there. But I am gonna leave mine on, not on feet. We're gonna do feet and inches. Just going over some of the more functionality, right? Like I said, this second one here, we're looking at benchmark and storage, which we don't want to store this, but we could take the area of a wall. So just showing you what that looks like here. If you hit that button, lasers out, and what you're going to do is it tells you which measurement you want for that particular function. Hit it again. And you can change that. Now, when you take your measurements, it's gonna blink and show what you want for each one. So we took that one measurement. Now it's telling you to go on the right side, get that one, and then it gives you your area and square footage. So like I said, very easy to use, very simple, very intuitive to what you want. And of course, we can clear that. And then, like I said, going back to this one here, give you an idea using a Pythagorean formula, and it computes it all for you. So, nice functionality, a lot of use cases. Oh, one more thing before I forget. This also has the function of being a leveler. So let's go ahead and get that up there. Just keep hitting the mode button that changes from volume, area, and then you get to degrees. So this is based off of the level of how you have it set up. So you want to get it flat as possible. And you think like, okay, well, how do you know your level? So if you hold down the same function button that goes through area, volume right here in the middle, you will get your crosshairs. And like I said, we're showing level. So go ahead and look at that. You get your degrees on what angle you are on. Set it to 0. I have a tripod I typically use when I do my laser leveling. So I set it to 0. And then of course you could go ahead and use that and hang pictures up, run studs, pretty much anything you might need to make sure that you have leveled. So very nice function. It works very well. Now let's go ahead and just turn that off real quick. Turn it off, same thing. Just hold down the button and it goes back into its normal function of taking measurements using the laser, if so needed. It actually even shows you right up here which mode you're using. And this is just in a continual mode. if you wanted to, and you could change that. Like I said, very intuitive to what you're doing. Now it's just tracking. Held it down, and it's tracking based off of me moving it, and you can just take those measurements however you need. Like I said, very nice, a lot of functions. This thing does a lot. Thanks for sending me this to review. Definitely a good thing to add to your tool chest.